How to delete videos from iCloud storage. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can delete videos from iCloud storage, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you want to delete the videos that are only backed up to your iCloud and not the ones from the Photos app. So the only way and the best way you can do this is by simply opening up any of your browser on your laptop or tablet or right from your iPhone itself, then going to iCloud.com. After you go to iCloud.com, log into the Apple ID from where you would like to delete the videos from. So once you're here on iCloud.com, you should be able to see the notes that you have backed up, the drives, and everything else, which will also include some of the videos if you have any, and then if you have backed up any of those. So from where you can simply select a certain backup that you would like to delete and then go ahead and then delete them in that way. This way you should be able to go ahead and then actually delete videos from your iCloud storage. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.